Hi there, I'm Grace. So today I'm gonna talk about assignment 1. So in this assignment we need to create a web application. So this is my web application, and then we need to design a HTML page. It's look like that. So I design, and this is my HTML web page. If we run this HTML web page, so this is my web page. And also we need to design a servlet, and the servlet needs to read the data using post methods, and then we need to do some server-side validation. If any required fields is empty, it's gonna give us this message. If a passport and confirm passport doesn't match, it's gonna say that passwords are not matching. And if everything is okay, if you pass the validation, it's gonna display the error data on the web page, and the user also click on the reset button. The form should go to initial values, so we can do a quick demo. For example, uh, if we submit, if on the click submit button, it's gonna say that please fill all required field. So we need to fill every field. So for example, if we enter different passwords and I click on the submit button, it's gonna say that password and confirm password are not matching. So if we fix this problem and click on that page, it's gonna say give the same outputs, and our name, last name, email address, zip code, username, passwords, favorite music rock, and receive special sale notification, yes or no. And if we go back to our HTML web page and click on the reset button, all fields are is gonna be empty. So in the last step, I tried to run this program on an Apache server, but I'm getting an error. So if we run our Apache server, and first of all we need to close the server, and then start Apache server. So this is my Apache server. If we so I can run this HTML page on the Apache server, but if you click on that, I'm given an error. It's says as my Java file compiled by a more recent version of Java runtime, but this version Java runtime only recognizes class version up to 52. So it say that because of my Java version 15.0.1, but my GRI is 1.8. I think that's the problem, and I couldn't solve this problem. So it can open this Java file because it is I'm getting a version error, so that's my problem. So, and we can also look at our first of all HTML code, and then we have some form tag, and we are using a post methods, and also action calling the user process servlet program, and then we have a classic input and label, and then so basically we display the or all fields properly on a HTML page. Web browser, if we look at our Java file, so we do all process in our do get methods, and inside do get method we have some variable. We're getting the all value from our web page, and assign to our variable. Because of music section is pass more multiple variable, we need to have an string variable, and then so inside this if else block we are checking the validation. So for example, if name is empty, we set the is valid false, and we are doing the all steps for each input section. And then also we are checking the passwords. If password doesn't match, also it's gonna display password and confirm first node are not matching. If we pass the validation, so we display the all data on our web browser. So we have doc type, and we print this doc type, and this strings, and this is our first name, last name, email, zip code, username, favorite music. And also when we display our favorite music, we have for each loop. And then finally this is our last step, receive special sale notification, depend on the user's inputs. And this is our do post method. We pass our data to do get method. And this is my classic constructor. So it was my servlet program, and we already checked the HTML web page. So that was the assignment presentation. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.